Welcome back to our channel Parts HnC. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide for how to install a window air conditioner. Let's get started. First, make sure you have everything you need before you begin. You'll need a window air conditioner, a screwdriver, a measuring tape, a level, foam weather stripping, and a drill. Before opening the box, check that your window is ready for the AC. Use your measuring tape to measure its width and height. Window air conditioners come in different sizes, so you want to ensure your unit will fit snugly in the window. Keep in mind, the width of the window is key here. Most units have a minimum and maximum width they can work with. Next, carefully open the box and with a helper, lift the air conditioner out. Air conditioners can be pretty heavy, so make sure you have support. Now that your AC unit is out of the box, let's prepare it for installation. Most window air conditioners come with adjustable side panels. Attach them to the sides of the unit according to the manufacturer's instructions. These panels help seal the window to prevent hot air from leaking in. Here comes the tricky part, positioning the unit in the window. Make sure the window is wide enough and have your helper carefully lift the air conditioner into place. The bottom of the unit should rest securely on the window sill, with the back of the AC extending outside the window. Make sure the unit is leaning slightly outside to ensure proper airflow. Now let's secure the unit. You'll need to lower the window on top of the air conditioner to keep it in place. Some units come with brackets or screws to fasten the unit securely. If you have a drill, use it to screw the AC into place. If not, the brackets alone should do the trick. Once the unit is in place, use foam weather stripping to seal any gaps around the edges of the window. This step is crucial for energy efficiency and preventing drafts. Alright, everything should be in place. Now let's turn on the AC to make sure it's working properly. Check the air vents and ensure cold air is flowing through the room. If everything sounds good and feels cool, you are successfully installed your window air conditioner. Need premium HVAC parts? Get them at Parts HnC for reasonable prices.